Hi, it's Matt here from Alliance Marketing. Just to let you know, we've got a brand new blog post on the website, and this one is all about case studies. And what we're looking to do is to inform you about the importance of case studies, where you should use them, be it online, be it in printed formats, and how to write them. So the content to include stats and facts, images, how to go about composing it. We've put it together so it's really straightforward for you to follow, and the benefits honestly now really outweigh the sort of, oh, I haven't got time to do it or anything like that. Please seriously consider adding case studies to your marketing collateral if you haven't already done so. And if you have got case studies on your website or in printed format, please update them, because they really do work incredibly well from a marketing point of view, especially in converting prospects into customers, in terms of it provides you with an opportunity to really demonstrate how your products and services have benefited your customers. Therefore, others reading it will resonate with them, and they'll think, oh, hang on a minute, yeah, that could work for us. So on that note, please, as I said, click on the link below, and yeah, we wish you a lovely weekend, and it's goodbye from me and good night from him.